Good morning. My name is Janice. Hope you're well today. Love and protection, grace and peace to you, dear soul. Sunday morning, October 19th, 2025. Cleansing the energy, cleansing the energy, cleansing the energy, cleansing the energy. This is a general reading for the collective. Please take what resonates and please leave the rest. I hope you get something good out of it. Regardless, you have a glorious, glorious day. Okay, what's the message? What's the message? Use me, speak through me, have your way, Holy Spirit, Most High, Most High. Angels, ancestor, spirit team, use me, speak through me. Have your way, have your way, have your way. Animal spirits, what you got? What you got? Nightingale. Singing. Lizard. Snake. Oyster. Okay, well. Like that brown little bird that doesn't have any. It was just a brown bird, a simple brown bird, but it has a voice. You're advised to sing, sing, sing. Glory, 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 glory. That bird's looking to the light, looking to the light, looking to the light. Like it's sitting on the moon. It's a mystery. You're a mystery. You're a mystery. Dear soul. Collective. You're a mystery. Lizard. You can handle the this is a fire element. You can handle the heat. All the chakras there. A lot of pink. Crown chakra. You're a sensitive creature. You can handle the heat, but you're very sensitive to touch. See all this like scales, kind of. You're sensitive to touch. Lizard. Snake. This is Kundalini. Fire. The snake, the coil. And you're shedding your skin as well. And this is the flower of life in here. I see that. You're shedding your skin. You're getting you have new skin. You just shed it. Your old skin. Oyster, you have hidden gifts and abilities that are hidden, even to you possibly. Whatever your gifts are, they're meant to be shared with others. You're like an oyster, it's concealed in that shell, a pearl. What? No, that's not right. But anyway, regardless, you have gifts and abilities that are hidden, and they need to be shared with the world. The universe wants you to share your gifts because your gifts weren't just for you, to benefit you. It does benefit you. It does benefit you. But it's also to share with others, to help others, set people free, that they know that they can set themselves free, that they can heal, that they can restore themselves, that they can move on, that they can follow their gifts, that they can follow their gifts and give to the world as well. You're an example, collective. You're an example. Sing, 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 sing your little heart out. What ho, It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. What's the message? The Emperor. Oh, sing, Emperor, sing. Sing, Emperor, sing. Whew. Knight of Swords. 3 of Swords. 6 of Pentacles. Okay. All right. Yeah. Emperor, please sing. Sing. Emperor, please sing. Share your gifts. For yourself. Sing for yourself and sing for others. Sing to your Most High. Sing praises to the gifts and miracles that have been given to you. Sing, 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 Emperor. Sing, 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 Emperor. Sing, 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 Emperor. Oh my goodness. I could sing, 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 Emperor. Please sing, sing, sing. Lizard, you're sensitive, very sensitive. You can handle the heat, but you're very sensitive. Knight of Swords. The truth has heated things up for you. This image is the water. The fish and the water. Water elements definitely involved in your life. The Sword of Truth. The Sword of Truth. You have something to say, Emperor. Emperor, you have something to say. To whatever. We'll come to that. The Snake. You shedded your skin. You shedded this painful situation. You shedded that. Whatever your part to play was in this painful situation. It could be 3 people involved in this painful situation. Whatever it is, and the part that you played, whatever that was, you shedded that skin, and you're healing now. Oyster, you have much to give to the world. Emperor, share with others. Your gifts, abilities, your pentacles, your resources. Share, just like that big animal, allowing that little bird to sit on his head and just kind of ride the wave because it looks stormy there. Give to those because you have enough to share, and those in need that you feel called to give. And it might not be finances per se. It could be finances, just coins, but it could be any number of gifts from you because you are yourself a resource. Okay, tell me more, Holy Spirit. Tell me more. Angels, ancestors, high vibing ancestors. Spirit team, use me, speak to me, have your way. Emperor, you are the star. You are the star. That's why you could be a famous person, actually. You could be a singer, a songwriter, a singer in public. You could be well known. You are the star. If you're not well known, you will become that. Okay, Spirit. All right. 8 of Cups. You know some. Okay, let's keep going. 5 of Pentacles. Oh, okay. And the Hierophant. Okay. All right, yeah. Okay. Sing your little heart out. Sing your little heart out. Because you are the Emperor and you are the star as well. You are the star. Whether you are a famous singer or an unknown singer, it doesn't matter. The universe is practically pleading with you to sing. I'm feeling that so strongly. The Lizard, the Knight of Swords, you, Knight, the Emperor Star, you have something to say, truth to say to someone, and your 8 of Cups, you're walking away from something here. Boldly. You're a tiger. Boldly. You're walking away. Boldly. Because those cups, they drained you. They drained you. They didn't give you love. They took your love away and they drained you. Ooh, wow. And the snake shedding that skin. Your heart is healing from that. You shed that skin of all that. And along with that, the Five of Pentacles, that someone was breadcrumbing you as well in this dark situation here. It was very hurtful. It was very hurtful. You would know. The Oyster, you have gifts to give. Six of Pentacles, you have gifts to give that the universe would like you to. You'll know with your inner knowing who the universe is speaking to you about, or more than one person, whatever it is, because you're a Hierophant. You're connected to the spirit realm, the natural realm. You're connected to all realms because you are a Hierophant. You're a spiritual teacher, Emperor. You're a spiritual teacher, and you stand tall, and you are an influencer, influencing for good, not for evil, influencing for good. You help uplift others through your song, through your singing, through your gifts. You influence others for the greater good. For the greater good. You uplift people. You uplift people. Sharing from your heart your songs. Knight of Pentacles. And you, oh wow, you have done it. You have done it. Whatever you needed to do, whatever you completed something. Six of Cups. The Lovers. Ace of Swords. Yep. Okay. All right. Okay. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You did it. You did it. I don't know what you did, but you did it. You completed it, and you are fulfilled. That's a Nine of Cups. You completed, you finished something. That's an ending to something. You finished something. You did it. You did it. Look at that peacock. Peacocks, I believe the males are the ones that have that because it's kind of, to attract your mate, whatever. Emperor. So I believe this is a masculine, but whatever, Six of Cups, on top of the Eight of Cups, on top of the Knight of Swords, on top of the Lizard. Past lives, childhood, that lotus flower in the cup, that shows that you have gone through the mud and mire and murky waters and rose up toward the clear water, out of the water in this light of day, and you're blooming, and you want to give and give to those that this is past lives, memories, nostalgia, inner childhood healing. You could be healing your inner child. There's just healing all around, and because of all that healing, you want to give, and you're going to give to someone special, your lover. I was talking about, attracting a mate, the male peacock, Lovers. And that is only because you had shed your skin and you took responsibility of whatever the Three of Swords was about, because it takes two. We all know that. If you don't know that, you know that now, but, Takes two, and there's 3 swords there, so however that worked out. But you shed that, you dealt with that, you acknowledged that, and forgave yourself and moved on, and you're out of that 5 of Cups, and there's a new love in your life. Lovers, lovers, lovers. Okay, Spirit. Okay, and the Ace of Swords. This is a new beginning. This is a new beginning. This is a new beginning. Seed of life, seed of life. Seed has come from the heavens, from a gift from God, a gift from the universe, a gift, new beginnings with your new lover. Because this is, I'm seeing new because you just shedded your skin. Blessing to you. Blessing to you. From my heart to your heart, healing love.